Hi, in this video we are going to introduce a new topic, that is functions. So what is called a function? A function is a group of statements or block of code. Those all together will perform a task. So let's see some built-in functions in MATLAB. Let's see square root, SQRT, of the number which you want be square root 3. Enter. The value of square root of 3 is 1.7321. Let's see another function that gives a random matrix of elements that ranges from 0 to 1. Rand of the dimensions of the matrix we want. Let's create a 2 by 3 matrix. Enter. Here we got a 2 by 3 matrix. These elements are from 0 to 1. Okay, now let's create matrix. Actually, in MATLAB, we can also create our own functions. Let's see how it is possible. Okay, now we will create a function that gives a random matrix of 2 by 3 of elements that ranges from 1 to 2. Here those are 0 to 1. The matrix we are going to create will be 1 to 2. Further, just open the editor command window. Just type the edit and enter. We got this window. Here you can create your own functions and save them as files in your laptop or computer, and then you can use them whenever you want. Let's create a function, my rand, enter, and rand of 2 by 3, enter, and here you can see a small star. That means you did not save your file till now. Let's save this file. Click on this one, save, and just keep the function name as your file name and save. Now type the file name my rand. Enter. Here you can see a random matrix of containing elements that ranges from 1 to 2. Let's type the same command, rand of 2 by 3. Okay, sorry, we should not give some inputs. Okay, just type the function my rand, enter. Like this you can create your own functions.